Action! Hi guys, this is Matthias Dandois.
Hi, this is Alex Gibbons. I know you will have the same sunglasses.
Welcome to Can You Make It? Episode, I don't know.
In this beautiful city of Solothurn in Switzerland.
We have a really special guest. Another accent of Europe. It's gonna be nice. After the French accent, the German accent, ladies and gentlemen, Lukas. Ça va, Franck?
Ça va bien?
Okay, so what are we gonna learn today?
We're gonna learn one of the most basic tricks in Flatland, which you can use for a lot of stuff. It's called Mccircle.
Can you order a Mccircle from McDonald's?
Of course, yeah. The famous double Mccircle with French fries, with my 2 French fries. The Mccircle is a front wheel trick, so you have to start from your pedals and you have to move your feet on the pegs to turn around and get in the right position.
The same start than the basic trick.
Exactly.
If you haven't seen the basic trick episode, it's just right there.
It's right here.
See? It's right here. You start exactly like the basic trick, but give more energy at the beginning for the first start. So I think even with the energy you give at the beginning, the back wheel is gonna like lift
Exactly, yeah.
like naturally.
Yeah, some people think they have to pull on your bar, but basically you just have to move your weight and lean back. The worst thing you can do is pull on your bar, because then the bar comes closer. Your arms getting like more cramped. You don't want that. It's not stylish. It does not look good.
But what's the problem you're gonna meet once you?
There's one problem. You turn around and you go too far and you go like this, and you crash.
That's the worst problem. Frank is gonna show us.
No, I don't know. I don't want to show. Scuffing is important, and it's really important to have the right, let's say, timing. It's be really like repetitive with your foot and try to be as constant as possible.
The scuff, the fact to pull on your tire, is gonna make the bike stay on this in this position. If you stop scuffing, the bike is gonna go forward again, and this is not what you want. So basically, once you are in the Mccircle position, keep on scuffing, and man, you can do a Mccircle for 5 hours if you want.
As always, the left foot is not going to be like this.
No.
Always going to be like that.
Stay flexible on that left foot.
Always. Every trick anyway. You're never going to do tricks like this.
The wheel needs to be like a little bit off axis compared to your. Basically, you don't want to do the Mccircle like this.
Yeah.
You want to do the Mccircle like this.
Another thing that is really important is what you do with your head. If the head is like really straight in a straight line, it's not as good as the head is like a little bit bent to the side you want to go.
Now that you're in the position, you are like killing it, you are scuffing, you're like, damn! What you want to do to pull the trick?
You have to get out of the position. The easiest way to get out of the position is you lean your weight forward, then the back wheel will touch the ground. And once you reach that position, there comes again this critical point where you can fall off your bike. Go like, again, straighten your arm, lean back, and then you will get out of it.
And it's a German celebration, go drink a beer or something.
Woo!
Prost.
Prost.
Alright, so now that you understand the basic Mccircle position, we're gonna show you what pro trick you can do with it.
Check this out.
I hope you learned something today watching Can You Make It? It was a real pleasure to have Frank. Frank, thank you so much for being a part of it.
Yeah.
Thanks for your good English.
Thanks for having me.
Hope you liked it. See you next week, guys.
Thank you. Bye bye. Keep on riding.
Bye bye. Au revoir.